All right, out here with Tremayne, we're gonna do some quad racing and some helicopters. So here's our little course set up. We got, we're just gonna do kind of a circuit around here. We're gonna use a goalpost as an option for a gate as well, and we'll see how it goes. First time doing gates with the 5-inch, so should be pretty fun. And we're get my chair. Tremayne's getting his chair. We got our station set up under the shade, although we got cloud cover now, so it is what it is. Here's his sweet helicopter. I'm gonna fly that. We'll see how that goes. Should be fun. Got my two over here. It's gonna be great. Get ready to roll.
Love that. If he goes upside down, he beat it.
That's fitting. There it goes. You got the prop on the correct way as well in the rear?
Yep. I think that's good.
Wonder what 3D mode, if it ups the head speed. Seems pretty low head speed.
All right, ready?
Yup. Watch this bitch. So you got it in GPS mode now? Really? Is it just... I gotta check that. It just holds there.
It just holds there, bro.
This is insane.
It's a fucking DJI.
Literally, you just you point it,
Yep.
put it somewhere, and then it just holds there. It even backs
mine
up.
is blown with this GPS.
Yeah, this is
helicopter.
amazing. I wish I would have started on something like this, to be honest. It would have got, because Tremayne, this is perfect for you. What you can do is start doing figure eights. You can start,
and to do it on its own.
Yeah, but you gotta
have to do it.
You gotta do it manually. It helps your orientation.
Yeah,
so as I'm coming back, you start turning.
Uh-huh.
It is a little lazy in GPS mode. You can hear that tail really working because it's windy out today, but honestly, it's amazing. It'll just hold there. This is pretty neat. Wow.
At the damn food. Look at that.
It does rolls.
Look at that shit.
It holds great. This is sweet. Is it on?
Yep.
All right, you ready?
That's one.
Wow. Now that's serious business.
Yes, very serious. This thing will fucking kill you if it hits you.
I'm gonna die. Not from that.
I think Tremayne jumped a little bit.
That thing hauls ass. What kind of batteries do that take?
5,000 milliamp 6S.
Okay.
So loud, isn't it?
Woo, there it is.
Oh, we got a guy mowing the lawn. Shit. Got all our gates up.
What? More than what though? It's like it's already cut.
That's what I'm saying. We'll bring her in. There it is.
That is sick.